learned and used when you were younger, which is base times height divided by 2. The reason that you should use this formula is because, remember, multiplication is commutative. So therefore, the 1/2 I can multiply either by the base or the height when I get started to make an easier number immediately. Then I don't have a huge number I'm working with once I multiply the base times the height and dividing it by 2. It makes it much simpler to use this formula. It also is simpler when we have the area of the triangle and we're finding out either the base or the height. All right, so number 1 is already done on the page. Number 2, what is the area of a triangle with a base of 100 and a height of 15? So this is the perfect example. If I write this out, 100 times 1/2 times 15. Now I can just take half of the 100 right away. Half of 100 is 50, so now I have 50 times 15. 5 times 10, or 50 times 10. I'm just going to do 5 times 10 and add a 0 at the end. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 5 is 25, so that is 75. And then I'm going to put my 0 for my 50. And so it is a double mark, which is inches. The single is feet. So that's 750 inches squared. Number 3, what is the area of a triangle with a base of 14 and a height of 4? So for this one, I'm going to take half of, both of my numbers are even. I'm going to take half of the larger one. Half of 14 is 7, times 4 is 28. And again, it's a double mark, so it's inches squared. Number 4, what is the height of a triangle with a base of 20 inches and an area of 50 square inches? So this is one where I want to go back up to my original formula, and I'm going to put in what I know. I know the area is 50. The 1/2 stays the same. The height is unknown, and the base is 20. So now, because of the commutative property, I can simplify this. I can do 1/2 of 20 right away. So this becomes 10 times the height. And now I use what I know of algebra, and I divide both sides by 10. That cancels out, so 5 equals my height. And it is square inches, so it is 5 inches. Height is going to be a measurement of length, not of area, so my inches are not squared. Number 5, what is the base of a triangle with a height of 8 feet and an area of 16 square feet? So I'm going to have 16 equals 1/2 times 8 times the base. So I'm going to find half of 8 right away, which is 4. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So 4 equals my base. And again, the measurement of the base is a measurement of length, so it is not a squared unit. So there are all of my answers. I hope this helps.